Today, I'll show you how to change your Amazon profile name. Whether you want to update your profile for privacy reasons or just to give it a fresh look, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you get it done quickly and easily. First, let's start by navigating to the Amazon website on your preferred web browser. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a section in the top right corner labeled Account and Lists. This is your gateway to managing all aspects of your Amazon account. Hover your mouse over Account and Lists, and a drop down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll want to locate the Your Account option, which is usually near the top. Clicking on your account will take you to a comprehensive overview of your account settings. Now, within the Your Account page, you're going to look for a section called Shopping Preferences. This is where you can find various personalization settings related to your Amazon experience. Under Shopping Preferences, you should see an option labeled Your Amazon Profile. Go ahead and click on your Amazon profile, and this will direct you to the page where your current profile information is displayed. Once you're on your Amazon profile page, the next thing you'll need to do is edit your profile details. You'll see your current profile name prominently displayed along with other profile details. Look for either the Edit Profile button or a pencil icon located near your name. Clicking on this will open up the editing interface, allowing you to make changes to your profile name. Now, you have the opportunity to enter your new profile name. Think about how you want others to see you on Amazon, especially if you're leaving reviews or participating in community discussions. Once you've decided on your new profile name, type it into the designated field. Double check for any typos or errors to ensure everything is exactly how you want it. After entering your new profile name, look for the Save button. Clicking this will save your changes and update your profile name across Amazon. It might take a few moments for the changes to reflect, so don't worry if you don't see them immediately. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Amazon profile name. This small adjustment can make a big difference in how you're perceived on the platform, whether you're leaving a product review or interacting within Amazon's community. Remember, you can always revisit these steps if you need to make further changes in the future. It's a straightforward process, but if you ever find yourself stuck or confused, Amazon's customer support is just a click away, ready to assist you. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to change your Amazon profile name. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more easy to follow guides. Have a great day and happy shopping on Amazon.